The Bosch 0281001-151 Mack truck ECU is specifically a Mack truck fuel injection control module, part of a VMAC 1 system. The customer could not communicate with the module with their diagnostic tool, and after a full rebuild of the module, the CAN bus communication is clearly working, as shown by the data stream showed on the scope. This particular module is only half the system, and also needs another ECU for the entire truck to work, but we were able to get this going without that module. At ERD, we are able to work on the majority of ECU modules, and have had a lot of success in their repair and full test.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.